Hello water signs, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. This reading is going to be right from 19th April till 25th of April 2021. Though timeless readings, okay? Twin flame soulmates and connections, general, universal, may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Okay, I had a call of I was thinking about which element and they said water. Okay, so let's begin. And I was shuffling this particular deck and I was on the card side and something stopped me. This particular card stopped me, okay? This one was sticking and was really stiff. We are going to get onto that, but I heard began, that message, B-E-G-A-N, okay? Began, something began, which means it already started, okay? Degrees, huh? So, something already started here for Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisces. This may be work situation, as on the other side it's Page of Pentacles energy. But I see here that something is into manifestation, okay? This may be work, this may be something that is a project, something that you're specializing, something that you're starting, something that you're waiting on. It's also certain kind of confirmation that is yet to come, but it started, okay? It started, the conversation may be happening between you and the other person. This may be even a love situation, okay? I also feel for some cases this was something that you thought, OMG, this was my opportunity, okay? And I really want to get this, I really want to work on it. But something happened wherein this kind of like a delay or just kind of like a pause I can see. So something already began, but the energy is like this. Page of Pentacles, you might be dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, okay? I'm going to take this card out because it was like very, very stiff. Someone doesn't trust you here, or you don't, okay? This may be again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This may be any sign though, but I feel the vibe is about Page of Pentacles. I'm hearing, what am I supposed to do, okay? Because something began. I also feel like someone is starting to feel something for a certain situation or person. You have underneath like a second last card as Seven of Swords energy. Something began, but trust issues, and something is hidden from the line. I'm hearing line of control as well. Possible it is between you and the other person, and maybe if it's like you thinking about making an offer or sending a message, this is something that is stopping you because there are trust issues. We'll see. But something began. Maybe this began almost a year ago or almost a year ago. Something, okay? No two options. That's what they're telling me. Something began, but something happened. Trust issues, Five of Swords. It's like you can take it as whatever you want to, but this is someone who is not in talking terms with you. You might be feeling that, should I start this? Should I send this? Okay? Argument happened, or someone is disappointed, or you are. Some of you are feeling stuck with your own scenario at present, whatever it is. As an individual as well, maybe regarding work situation, something that began but it's delayed, okay? Or it got stopped in the mid, whatever it is. Communication, to and fro. There's a line, that's what I talked about. There's a line which is a very thin line here, I see. And yes, it is connected with your speed, it is connected with possibly Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I also feel that you're thinking about making a move, or someone over here, this energy is about someone over here is thinking about making a move, which may be about just sending a message. There is sincerity I see up in the air, but how to, because someone is possibly nervous, afraid even. That's what I'm hearing, okay? Let's see. Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisces. Take care of what you say, what you put out. Words I see here. Words. Like cannot take it back. Someone walked away here. They felt disappointed. You or the other energy. That's why disappointment. I asked that what began. Okay. Two of Cups began. Okay, this is about you found the one and it began. I don't want to say it's beginning, it will begin. It began already. But this is about something possible connected to how to talk again. May go from vice versa. Two of Cups energy is the call of coming together. Reunion, union. Something happened, something closed, something is drawn between you both. This is also a missing part. You might be missing and nervous about touching that cup again. This is someone you want to talk, or someone does want to talk to you. So what began is Two of Cups began. The search ended here, basically. This is also in your mind and heart. Okay, this is about how to reunite, because something went different on different tracks. The word, something closed off. And now you are unaware about, if it is going from your side, you're unaware about what is happening with this person. Okay, the curiosity is connected with what is happening with this person, because a very, very big pause came between you and this person. Haven't talked in like from last 5 weeks to 5 months to 5 days. Depends what began, what started, what is happening now. Yes, it is about this. Four of Wands energy. It's about 11-11. It's about coming together. It's about stability. It's about the thing that you had, which is about the relationship, the emotion you people had. Okay. Your energy might be now in this time frame might be to overcome, and how to overcome this particular line. How I can send this message to the person, because Two of Cups is very major here, not a major card. It's the major energy. Six of Cups energy. You're missing someone, or someone is missing you. You might be missing your workplace. You might be missing the person. Okay. Lovers from past, or someone, the one you really, really, really want to unite with. This may be your home place. This may be your childhood. This may be you people are reuniting with your family members here. Okay. But in alignment, this is someone you're missing from your past very much. This is the time frame where you really want to unite with someone here. It's also the researcher's call. So I feel like in this time frame, I feel very heavy energy is about that the presence will be around you. You're going to miss more this person. Okay. As in a flashback, yeah, you're more in head. You're thinking about this person. If you're talking about particular energy here, yes, you are. Eight of Swords energy. I don't know why I heard in mind Eight of Wands energy. Maybe that's what you want. Okay, you want to I heard the word collapse. You want to collapse this basically thought, and you want to manifest with the Eight of Wands, which is about movement, because you are more in head and you want to make some move here. Whatever is stuck here, whatever is unable to, whatever is like this, okay, clingy but overthinking, fear of losing someone, or it's just that whatever my square is, my circle is, I want to come out of that. So it's basically about in your present you have this a lot in heart. Okay, this is about apart from what happened, apart from whatever is going around me. Recording time 0909. What is that I feel for this person? So Eight of Swords energy is connected with Eight of Wands energy, which is about I'm opening my eyes, I'm opening my ears as well, but I'm opening my eyes in order to look forward, to make manifestation, and whatever I'm thinking, I'm going to do it. There's very heavy energy, began, okay? I feel with the began word that they're pressuring me to tell you again and again. They want to say that it was always there. Something already began way back. Some of you are aware, some of you are not. Some of your partners are aware or not awakened, or you are not awakened. However, it resonates with you, okay? And if something is not and it's not for you, never force yourself. Very emotional reading, because in your present call it is about how to get back on that track again, how to get in contact with the person, how to let loose, how to tell them that whatever is going in my mind, okay, and whatever is going in my heart, making peace with the person. Just look at this. Wanting to be together, missing someone, wanting to talk. Some of you are going to get engaged with the person you thought. I just heard that. So something began already. A move, or the move, the Chariot. Plans of meeting. I know it's pandemic. You need to stay safe. Please wear masks. Stay safe. But the Chariot, I feel, is the call. One of you are here, Cancerian. But I feel maybe Cancerian is all in mind and thinking about someone from past and wanting to reunite, but something stopped. This is telling me a lot of things. But I feel someone is going to make a move here. Okay? Move which is about coming out ahead more. Not thinking or keeping things in mind, rather making it into manifestation of 8 of Wands energy. I'm hearing hello. You might end up sending message ultimately. Right from 5 of Swords energy to the Chariot energy, that is the move that you're going to make. Alright. With the Began card, I feel it's saying that what are you thinking, honey? Maybe spirits are trying to tell you that, convey you that. Universe is trying to tell you that. What are signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What are you doing, honey? It already began. It started. Okay, you can change it what you started. So it's like a karmic cycle or circle with someone. I feel you're going to hear out from someone from your past, or you are going to connect with someone from your past. Now, I don't want, literally, that you stay stuck with the past energy. Those people were wrong or never did good, sorry for that, never did good to you, okay? I don't want that. I never favor that. But if it is something that started and you need to complete, then you need to complete in order to begin new phase of your life. If it was something wrong on your side or on their side, and you really, people, both of you want to come together, that's then love, okay? Okay, I feel like someone is not, they're single, okay? Someone is not entertaining anyone or not dating anyone, basically. They are independent. You might be dealing with someone who is having high esteem here, and everyone should have, but this is about someone who walked away in order to secure their self-respect and esteem. This may be you, okay? This person might have honestly thought of taking into consideration whatever you said to them. The Empress. I heard the energy of all, okay? Someone who is important. Maybe for some cases, females listen to this. For some cases, this is female energy, very important. However, it can go vice versa. There is this Empress. There is someone in your future you're going to meet. You're going to end up bringing them back because you're going to manifest something here. That's what I hear. You have Judgment call, which is about the callback. But you're not hearing from them because they're, oh my God, because there is 6 of Swords energy, which is reversed. Something is getting delayed, but you want to meet this person. And underneath, the third lust card is 8 of Wands energy. Sending message, wanting movement. I heard kind of like shape-shifting. Not a shape-shifter, shape-shifting of the situation, okay? Which was very interesting of the shape-shifters. But this 6 of Swords is something that whatever got delayed in my life, whatever I never manifested, there's a call back to that. You may end up calling someone, or someone will end up calling you, okay? Something began, got into pause. I'm having hiccups, don't mind. Oh, interesting reading. We'll see. The one you are looking at, possible, or this may be you yourself, the Empress. You're looking at someone who is very possible known or is self-sufficient person. Okay, the energy. Wow. You have the bottom energy, Three of Cups, and you got the Empress twice. One here, one here. Okay, honey, that's your storyline. I'm just going to get into that, but here you have Three of Cups, which is about reunions. Getting back with the old pals, getting back with the person you really want, clearing out the confusion and everything. It's someone who's important to you. I heard kindred spirits. Interesting. With the Empress, whoever this is, Seven of Wands. If I take it as the energy of the other energy, like the person you are dealing or you dealt, something began here, okay, but something is now on the hold or stop, which is about someone's defenses are up. Let me be honest. If this Seven of Wands is your energy, then it is very difficult because they are not letting someone in. Okay, they're not allowing. Self-sufficient, looking at you, okay, or looking at the situation and looking forward. They have wheat, which is they can earn. They are earning. They're good. But Seven of Wands with the Empress, at least to me right now, is someone who is trying to get into someone's zone. Push and pull, defenses up. Who's? You figure out. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, oh my god, unfinished is Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Okay, unfinished is there's a business that is unfinished, and that's why there's a push and pull. That's why something is connected with began. Unfinished is that began. Okay, there's a past person energy as well, so possibly you are about to deal with them. This is, I talked about a circle. You are enchanted with someone or someone is enchanted with you. However it goes, you are under someone's spell, or it's just like there is love, a flexible love, a caring love that doesn't want to fix in your surroundings, or you doesn't want, but that kind of love. Signal. Someone will end up giving signal, or you got that. Oh my god. Okay, no, that's not a call, but that was a key. But they're saying, put it back, honey. So you have unfinished is enchanted and signal. There's a signal call, which is about, yeah. There's the Empress, I'm telling you, going into the version of more of herself or himself in that way, more in control. They have more fruits. They have more rejuvenation. And this may be your energy, this may be this person's energy. Somewhere we can be alone. I know you and ancestors, generations. How you want to take it as? There are palm prints. Okay? You've known each other from generations, or let's just say you evolved. Now here, blessing of your ancestors, calling you to take your step. It is about awakening. It's about, if you go with that concept of Kundalini or awakening and all that, then you may check that out. But I feel with this is about going to lay the foundation of generations for you and the upcoming. Okay? It began means already way back. It was always blessed. That's what I heard. Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This began already, and it is coming. I heard the word glitch. Something happened in the mid of you and this person. That you may connect it as a glitch. Something happened wrong. It's like it was not meant to, but it happened. Glitch in your life, glitch in your situation. Something happened that stopped something. Okay. With the Knight of Swords energy, I feel like this began, which is communication, might not went right or something, but I feel there's a pace up energy in your life, to the communication or to the cross or to the confusion or to the stop. I heard that it was always out of fist, like it's the fist, but it's always out of hands. You were unable to catch something. So this already started. Something was out of control, glitch happened, communication problem happened. You have Seven of Cups energy with the Two of Wands energy. So what is trying to say? It's time to choose. It's time to make a move. It's time to talk and clarify. You might be dealing, or there is someone as a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy in your life, or a Libra here, Justice. Just give me a second. It began. With the Two of Wands energy, I feel it began already. But there were things that you were supposed to choose, or someone supposed to choose, and that was not the time to come back together, or things got very messed up, especially with the Seven of Cups energy. A lot of things confused you, or confused this person or situation. There was this mess and a storm here, okay? Okay. They want to say something began, okay, and whatever happened in your situation or connection or work, there's a big role of ancestors and generations. It is about basically the legacy or something. Someone does want to change here that with the hard work, with the awakening, with the move, okay? Maybe it's about you. It's about the place you're coming from. It's about something that you want to put change or create that change. And this is about you want to change forever the coming generations also, okay? What you learned, what you're doing, and where you're going. You have a focus here. You want to achieve a lot. That's why there's hard work, okay? If it is connected with something, it's always a blessing, okay? So something that is not manifesting here, there's a lot of crowd and rush around you, which may be about your people, your energies, and what you were unable to choose back then, and why you never wanted to be in their clutch, kind of. You never wanted to get yourself tied up there. It's because you want to manifest something bigger in life. Okay, with the Two of Wands energy, it's something also fixed situations or rules, regulation. You don't want that, or you never wanted that. But I feel something already started. If it's about love situation, it's returning, or you're returning to that. I think it's done, because the bottom energy is rain, purification. It's going to happen before you begin with something new, okay? Emotional time is coming as well for many of you, in which you're going to realize and change some things. I have something, I can't stop this reading. I don't know why when I'm looking at ancestors' generations. I feel they want to say that the communication that you will end up having with someone, or the one who is coming in your life, or it already began, is someone you never realize that they are the one, okay? Because possibly it's about awakening, possibly it's about the sting that you're going to have, or the person going to have. It is something connected that they're trying to tell you, go back to the one you began something with. It's not in crowd around you, it's somewhere there you left. Something like that, okay? Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.